In previous video, I had seen that how arithmetic progression is occur and how we will solve it. This is exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. First, we proceeding ahead, we have to learn something more about the fact of the arithmetic progression. We had discussed that the arithmetic progression have a common difference between the two terms. We had discussed about the terms, which is the term, for example, we write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. These are the term. 2 is first term, 4 is second term, 6 is third term, 8 is fourth, and so on up to nth. Nth means that will be second term, that will be third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and so on. So we have discussed about how nth term means the term fifth term, sixth term we will have to find out. Then how I will find out? I had told you that A is the first term, D is the common difference. So first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. So if we will have to find out the nth term, then what will be the formula? A, here we see second term means A plus D, means A plus 1D, you may say, but 1 is not written behind the other digit, other coefficient. Similarly, third term, here A plus 2D, we have not written here 3D, we have written here 2D because first term is A and D add in the first term, then it will be second term, and we will add 2D, which will be third term. Similarly, nth term means before A is the first term, and nth means 3 minus 2 means n minus 1 into D. This is the equation, this is this formula. This is the formula by which we can find out the nth term. Nth term means second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, 100th term, as demanded, as I have to ask to find out. So we will have to remember it that nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then from this series, from this list, we have to find out first A is equal to 2. N means first term. And D is how much? D is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 or 6 minus 4 or 8 minus 6 or 10 minus 8 or 12 minus 10. Everywhere we will see that the difference is 2. In this way, we will have to nth term. Nth term. Nth term means n minus 1. N minus 1. So let we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 term. 8th term. 8th term. How we will find it? We will use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. A is how much? Solution. A is how much? A is 2. And 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1. N is how much? N is 8. N is 8. N minus 1 into D how much? D is 2. We will solve it. 2 plus n is 8 minus 1 into 2. How much? 2 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 14. Result is 16. Result is 16. It means the 8th term will be 16. First term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh will be 14 and eighth term will be 16. In this way, we can find any term by this formula. Where is formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula which we will have to remember every time. Now, we will proceed. First question. First question, where it is mentioned, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? This is the condition. Here, first question is the taxi fare. This is the condition, and question is in below. the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 kilometer, rupees 15 for the first kilometer, and after that rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Now the question is clear. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare rupees 15 for the first kilometer. If you travel first kilometer, then we will have to pay how much? Rupees 15. And after that, and if you travel after that, then we will have to pay 15 plus 8. After that, rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. If you travel more 1 kilometer, then add 15 plus 8. If you travel after 1 kilometer, after 1 kilometer we travel additional 2 kilometer, then we will have to pay 16 plus 15. So the 15 is in the list, 15 is the first term. We will write here first term is equal to 15. And the common difference is how much? 8. These two things are given. Now we will have to prepare a list of progression, arithmetic progression. How I will find? First term is A is equal to how much? First term is 15. Second term, how much? Common difference is 8. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Third term, we will have to make the list of the digit, list of the number. Then 15 plus 16, how much? 31. Fourth term, how much? 15 plus 24, how much? 39. In this way, the list of the progression, list of number is how much? First 15, second 23, third 31, fourth 39, and in this way we may increase the number. 39, fifth term, how? Fifth term 15 plus 32. How much? 47. 47. This will be the list of the number. Question here is, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved? Make an arithmetic progression. We have made the arithmetic progression. This is the arithmetic progression. 15, 23, 31, 39 and 47. Clear? It is the first question we have solved. Now we will proceed ahead in the next video. Now, in the next video, we will discuss about the other questions of this exercise. Okay? So, you will see it, and if you will have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe this high-tech math free channel and share with your friends and like it. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.